Hello there, friends. I'm going to show you real quick that Palantir and the EVM can interact with each other with Chainlink runtime environment. So I've got this very simple instance of this object. It's just a value and this message. And the test contract is fairly simple. There's not much to it. It's the simple storage equivalent of a value and a message with just a way to get the report and manually set the data so when we want to send it the opposite way. So just as a little sanity check, I've got two workflows, one to go from Palantir to EVM and another of EVM to Palantir. A little rough, messy, but it works. So we're just going to do a simulation of Palantir to EVM just to be able to read the object. We'll let this run. Sure thing. Well, you can see right here it read the value and the message right there. Sneed. I am now just to go here to read the contract. You can see right now it's this 1357, hello from George. And before we send it, let's make it a little bit hello from Palantir. Whoop, if I could spell, we'll do leet 1337. There you go. So now let's actually send it with the broadcast flag. So it should read and send to the contract. So it read the value, hello from Palantir. It looks like got the transaction. So we're going to go and check. Let's see, do the query and take a look. It did successfully read from Palantir and write it to the smart contract. So now to do this vice versa, can it read from the contract what's there and write it to the object just for the sake of, I don't know, let's change it to something else. Hello from EVM. We'll do right, blah, blah, blah. Let it do its thing. This might take just a second to update. And just a second. Well, apparently more than a second. A few seconds. There we go. So it's updated. 66 is the value. Hello from EVM. We can go back here and see that it's still this previous value. So now we're going to run the other workflow where it should be EVM to Palantir. One of these. Okay. And I don't believe that we actually need to broadcast this. We will just run this. It's doing a GET request, or not GET, a post to the Palantir object. So we can see that it read hello from EVM, hello from EVM with the value, and it did post. So now let's go and check the object. I'm in a fresh. Well, you can take a look. It did successfully, so CRE successfully read this contract, these values, 66, hello from EVM, and it was able to store those values in the object. So that does confirm that Palantir and the EVM can interact. See, interact, not just read. We can pass values into each other.